Dear friends, today I am going to tell you how to take out the buds of roses as well as buds of orange or mosambi for eye budding purpose on citrus or roses. The citrus and roses have same method or grafting and same months are also there. So, eye budding of grafting and citrus plant it may be orange, lemon or sweet lemon. Now such a way you have to take out, now already I showed you that you have to select the bud. The bud sand should be of 2 months by which you can take this hard wood which is attached to the bark. Now, as you are taking out that you can say hardwood with bark, the length above the bud should be 1 centimeter above and below also 1 centimeter. And you have to insert that blade slightly deeper and deeper, just like boat shape, and take the total piece with hard portion. Here, the skin is not detaching from the hardwood because the sand is not proper, because I have taken this sand from mango orange plant for V grafting purpose or soft grafting purpose. So whenever you will select for eye budding, then your sand of citrus, it may be of orange or mosambi, the age should be not more than 3 months. Between 2 to 3 months sand should be there, and their thorn, no thorn should be there on that branch. So such type of a newly branch have has you can say thick bark, and that can be easily detached from the hardwood. Now in this process, I am getting too much trouble here for taking out because the age of this cyan is about 5 to 6 months, and that's why the bark is not coming clearly. Now see here, now how already these are for means you can say proper selection for these cyans of mango orange is for softwood grafting, and that's why the bark is not you can say coming out of the hardwood. Now see here already, and these buds can be removed such a way by with the help of saving blade. You should not use knife. If you are using knife, the knife should be sharp. Now as at the time of taking out this hardwood which is attached to the bark should be removed easily such a way. See here, now it is clearly taken out. This is the proper way of taking out bud. Now if it is more in length, then you have to cut with the help of bud, means above the bud